Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make your very own body butter at home. And of course, I'm here to teach you how to do just that. So if you want to keep learning, keep on watching. The first ingredient for this recipe is coconut oil, some avocado oil. I'm just going to be using a little bit of this, some mango butter, and of course, some raw shea butter. So the first thing that you're going to do is place some water in a pot and set it up to warm up. And while everything is warming up, you can go ahead and chop all of your butters. So this recipe in particular has the ingredients that I listed before. But if you're interested in learning how to make different kinds of whipped body butters or even body lotions, let me know because there's different ingredients with amazing properties that I would love to share. Now, let's talk about measurements and why I don't measure my ingredients. There's a super simple rule of thumb, which is if you want your body butter to come out more solid, you use more shea butter. And if you want it to be more soft or more lotion-like, then you can use more oil. So now that you have this information, don't worry if you don't have a measuring cup or if you don't have a specific scale to weigh your ingredients. And after cutting it up, I'm going to place it in a bowl. And we're going to carefully place the bowl over the water. And notice how the water is not boiling. It's just hot enough. It's bubbling up just a little bit so that we can melt all of the oils and marry them together. And so I'm going to add in my coconut oil like so. And then later on, I'll add in the avocado oil. And once all of the ingredients have melted together, you can put them in a larger bowl. And I like to place this bowl on my countertop to cool down or even in the fridge to make it faster. But while we're waiting for that, I want to show you these cute little macaroons that I made. If you're interested in the recipe, let me know because I would be happy to make videos about that. These were so yummy and they're super easy and quick to make. So after about a half hour of being in the fridge, this is what my oils look like. And I'm going to dip my spatula into it so you can see the kind of texture that you want. You don't want it to be fully solid. You want it to be somewhere in between because when you whisk it, it's going to be much easier. And of course, the results are going to be better. So you're going to whip and whip until you get the texture that you want. And like I said, I love it when it's a little bit more solid. And this is how mine came out. I got these containers from Amazon. You can use these or mason jars as well. I love these because they're the perfect size. I'm going to tightly pack all of the butter into the container, and this is what it's going to look like. It's going to melt right onto your skin. You're going to see in just a second. I love it. It's super soft and it leaves my skin feeling so good. So I really hope that you all enjoyed learning with me today. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried this recipe or if you'd like to learn some more. Until the next time, bye!